If you're anything like me, then you probably spent quite a bit of time searching YouTube for the best vlogging camera of 2021, or even the best vlogging camera to get started with in 2021. And believe me, I have spent quite a bit of time researching the best vlogging cameras. In this video, I'm going to share with you my favourite vlogging cameras that I currently use for vlogging in 2021. When it comes to finding the perfect vlogging camera, you have to work out what's right for you. And for me, I had a top 3 list of priorities when it came to finding the perfect vlogging camera. First up for me was a camera that had a flippy screen so I could clearly see myself when I was vlogging. The second was something that hopefully I could attach an external microphone to increase the quality of my audio. Something with auto tracking so that I could move around in the frame and never worry about actually the camera focusing on my face all the time. And lastly, something that was portable yet durable, something that was quite light and small yet quite robust so you can take it with you anywhere. I've been vlogging on and off for about 3 years now, and I still currently use all of these cameras when I'm out and about vlogging. The first camera that I use when I'm out and about is something that we all carry around in our pockets, and it is the phone. I use the iPhone. Mine's the iPhone 11. The quality on it is amazing. You can easily see yourself when you are vlogging, and the audio is pretty good too. When I am out and about using my phone for vlogging, I do tend to use a tripod. This is just a very simple, flexible tripod that you can just pop down, pop your phone in, or you can actually use it as an extension rod. The phone fits in there super easy and you are ready to go. This mini flexible tripod was on Amazon for around £15. There's quite a few options for a little flexible tripod, ranging between £10 and £20 that you are specifically able to use for your phone. I also do have a second option of a tripod when I am out vlogging, and that is this little number, which actually has a hot shoe mount on the top. So if you did want to add an external microphone, for example, like the Rode Video Micro, you can easily attach that to the top of this, and then you just pop the bottom onto one of your existing tripods. With all these products I have mentioned, I will pop the links in the description so that you can easily find access to each of the products that I use. This little tripod mount with the option of a hot shoe adapter for an external microphone was £15. And if you're looking for a little tripod just to use with that, you can just screw this on like so. This is the Manfrotto Mini. It's absolutely brilliant, especially because it's got a little ball head on it as well, so you can move everything around. This little Manfrotto tripod is £20, which was absolutely perfect, and I use this for many other things other than just my phone. The second camera that I currently use for vlogging in 2021 is the Osmo Pocket. It's a cute little vlogging camera. It literally sits in your pocket. It also has a little gimbal attached, which means you get smooth video wherever you are. The face tracking in the Osmo Pocket is absolutely brilliant as well. It's wide enough for you to hold out with your arm, but you also can get extension rods with the Osmo Pocket. If you were looking for an extension rod for the Osmo Pocket, I use this wonderful little extension rod from Smartree, which actually has in this middle section a little charging kit as well. So not only do you have the tripod on the bottom, you can also charge your Osmo as you go. It also enables you to use your phone as a screen for the Osmo as well, which is perfect if you need something a little bit bigger, and you have a lot more control when you do that as well. The Osmo Pocket is currently about £200 in the UK. They have just released the Osmo Pocket 2. This little extension rod was about £40. As I say, it's from Smartree. I also use the Osmo Pocket to film many of my YouTube videos for my main channel. It's such a handy, perfect little camera, and it actually does 4K too, which is brilliant. There is a little screen on the back so you can see what you're doing, but when filming YouTube videos, generally use the phone as well, so that I can really gain a bit more control of the Osmo Pocket. And with it being so tiny, you can literally carry it around everywhere. It fits quite easily in a back pocket, in your handbag, and as I say, it's a very versatile piece of equipment that is very tiny. Next up is one of the main cameras that I have used for vlogging over the past couple of years, and that is the Sony A5 100. It's the perfect size camera, and the thing that I loved about it the most is the flip up screen rather than the flip out screen, so you're not too distracted when you are filming. It's also very tiny, very durable. Like I say, I've been using this on and off for the past 3 years, and this was my main vlogging camera. This camera is currently retailing for around £400, which is absolutely brilliant. I absolutely love it. It's a great camera. I pair that with the Manfrotto Mini stand that I've mentioned before, so if I want to film me making a coffee or something like that, then I can easily just pop that on the side. And also it's a great handle so that I can extend my arm fully when I am vlogging. For me, literally the only downside of this camera was actually that it had no place on the top, no hot shoe mount or input for an external microphone, and that was something that I really wanted in a vlogging camera. But I have to say, the audio in this has been brilliant. It was just time for me to up my game. So if you're looking for a beginner's vlogging camera, definitely the A5 100. The newest addition to my vlogging kit for 2021 is actually the camera that I'm filming on right now. So I'm going to change these cameras over and show you my latest vlogging camera. So I've now switched over to the Sony A5 100 so I can show you the newest camera in my vlogging bag, and that is the Canon M50. And the reason I've upgraded my camera from the Sony A5 100 to the Canon M50 is this little beauty. This is the external microphone, the Rode Video Micro, and it just allows me to up my game on my audio so that it sounds a little bit better, especially when you're outside in the wind. And let's face it, you look like a proper vlogger when you've got a microphone like this. For me, the only main difference between the Sony and the Canon M50 is actually this flip out screen. At first I thought I'd find it quite distracting because it was on the side, as I'm normally used to a flip up screen. So as you can imagine, it is a little bit different when it's out to the side. You don't want to be looking to the side of the lens. If anything, if you're looking slightly above, you can't really tell. Size-wise, the Sony and the Canon M50 are very, very similar in size and weight, so there's not too much difference there. The lens on the Sony is a little bit wider, so I can just use my hand, and I've still got quite a bit in the frame apart from just my face. Because let's face it, you don't want just the head hanging around. You do have the capability of recording 4K video on the Canon M50 as well, which I'm not sure I'll do for vlogging, mainly because of storage. I don't think we need 4K vlogs of my face. But definitely great to have that option within a camera. As I say, I've just upgraded from the Sony to the Canon M50. This camera is currently around £650, and the Rode Video Micro is currently around £40. It's a great addition to your vlogging setup. As I say, you can use this microphone with your phone as well. You will, however, need a different wire to plug into your phone. And if I do need a tripod with this camera, I will use my Manfrotto Mini tripod. I absolutely love it, especially because of the ball head that I've mentioned before. Now, how do I carry all my vlogging equipment around? Well, I use the Tog London Mini Bag. I absolutely love it. It's a very durable vegan leather with plenty of pockets on the front and on the back, and the inside is all segmented into little sections like my main camera bag, so I can easily take round my phone, my keys, my purse, but also the Osmo Pocket. And what better, it's stylish too. It's definitely a great bag for travel vlogging. I also use it when I'm out and about for walks as well. There's tons of space for memory cards and batteries. As you may know, I'm a wedding photographer, so I will quite often use this bag for engagement sessions or wedding elopements where I don't necessarily need a lot of kit. If you are looking for what's in my wedding camera bag, then you can head over to my main channel. I've actually filmed a video of what's in my camera bag for weddings for 2021 over there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's given you some insight into the best vlogging cameras for 2021. For me, I absolutely love vlog channels on YouTube. Definitely my favourite type of videos to watch. So if you're currently getting into vlogging, then let me know your channel details below, as I'd love to watch some of your vlogs too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe, as coming soon there will also be a beginner's guide to vlogging and how to level up on your vlogging game. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.